Welcome all to our channel Shri Rajlaxmi publication. Agriculture is the backbone of the Indian economy. Indian farmers are cultivating their farms in traditional way, but nowadays farmers are adopting new techniques and others experiences in their farm. The state agriculture universities have a giant share in agricultural development as well as economic and social upliftment of the farmers. The state agriculture universities also play a vital role in nation building. Being a well-wisher of the students and the beneficiaries of these subjects, Shri Rajlaxmi publication has now decided to publish these subjects in video form on the basis of agricultural development, that is agronomy, genetics and plant breeding, agri-entomology, horticulture, agricultural economics, agri-extension education, agri-engineering, plant pathology, soil science and agri-chemistry, animal husbandry and dairy science. I express my sincere thanks to all the respected authors of books, research papers, review articles, as well as e resources whose reference has been taken for these subjects and video who have contributed to this publication, and also to the students who refer these books and videos to develop their knowledge updated for their bright future. Suggestions for improvement of this video are welcome. Please comment, like, share and subscribe our channel. That is Shri Rajlaxmi publication. Shri Rajlaxmi Prakashan publish a textbook of livestock breeding and nutrition. Author Professor S. T. Mane. Chapter 1st, History and Concept of Animal Breeding. Animal breeding definition: the application of the principles of population genetics using the biometrical techniques for genetic improvement of livestock is known as animal breeding. History of animal breeding started even before domestication of animals was ever recorded. Here you can see the figure of Sir Robert Blackwell, father of animal breeding, and Dr. J. L. Lush, father of modern animal breeding. Number 1. Robert Blackwell, Leicester, England, 1725 to 1795, father of animal breeding. Shire horses, old longhorn cattle, Leicester sheep, first to start breeding and to establish breeds. He is remembered for setting the pattern of modern animal breeding, and he is called as father of animal breeding. Number 2. Dr. J. L. Lush, 1919 to 1966, father of modern animal breeding, established the foundation of modern methods of estimating breeding values, quantitative trait measurement, progeny testing, computerized data management, measured traits from birth to death, and called as father of modern animal breeding. Number 3. Leonardo da Vinci, 1452 to 1519, revealed the fact that the male and female parents contribute equally to heredity of offspring. Number 4. Robert Hooke, England, 1665, applied the term sale. Number 5. Lazzano Spallanzani, 1780, used artificial insemination successfully to inseminate a Spanish bitch. Number 6. Gregor Johann Mendel, 1822 to 1884, Australian monk, has been called as father of genetics because he was first to uncover and record the of inheritance, segregation, and independent assortment of genes dominance. Number 7. A. Snyder, 1873, the first account of mitosis. Number 8. H. J. Muller, 1927, reported the artificial induction of mutation in animal by X-rays. Number 9. Dr. Sampath Kumaran, 1939, first attempted artificial insemination at Palace Dairy Farm, Mysore. Number 10. Ian Wilmot, 1997, from UK, produced a clone of adult lamb and named it as Dolly. Number 11. William Batson coined the term genetics. Number 12. Wilhelm Johansen coined the alleles or genes, introduced the concept of genotype and phenotype. Number 13. Charles Darwin, 1800, natural selection, genotype by environmental interaction, proposed the theory of pangenesis. Number 14. Weismann put forward the germ plasma theory. Below you can see the figure of scientist named Reginald Punnett, E. Strasburger, Henrik Waldeyer. Number 15. Batson and Punnett first observed linkage in sweat pea. Number 16. Strasburger, who first discovered chromosomes. Number 17. Waldeyer coined the term chromosomes. Concept of animal breeding. The domestic livestock is reared all over the world. In India, the most common domestic species of livestock reared by farmers are cattle, buffaloes and sheep, goat, camel and poultry. To improve the quality of animal for increasing the productivity, the systematic breeding is necessary from generation to generation with definite goal in mind. Even the best feeding and management cannot produce performance beyond the genetic limit of an inferior animal. It is therefore important to improve the genetic merit of livestock population at all levels of management. It is required to breed the animals which have better genetic ability to utilize the additional feed and better management. The productive capacity and physical appearance of animal population can be changed greatly by selective breeding. The general concept of livestock breeding can be listed as below. Number 1. Breeding the livestock for improving the production, that is, improving genetic ability to produce more milk, meat, mutton, wool, eggs, etc. Number 2. Breeding the livestock for improving the quality of product, that is, improving quality of milk in respect of fat percentage, protein, total solids, etc. Also similar thinking can be have for meat, mutton, wool, eggs, etc. Number 3. Breeding the livestock for improving the environmental adoption, that is, introduction of heat tolerance in exotic livestock which are original from cold climate. Number 4. Breeding the livestock for improving the disease resistance capacity. These changes in the form of production, quality of product, environmental adoption and disease resistance of animal have been achieved not by creating new genes but by locating the existing genes, increasing their frequency and recombining genes in progeny so that many favorable genes are present in the same animal. Livestock breeding, improving disease resistance, improving production, improving quality of product, improving environmental adaptation. In brief, general concept of breeding the livestock may be introducing desirable traits in next progeny. Now here are few homework questions provided for the benefit of students. Question number 1. Define animal breeding. Question number 2. What are the concepts of animal breeding? Question number 3. Write the contribution of following scientists. Number 1. Robert Hooke. Number 2. Dr. Sampath Kumaran. Number 3. Robert Beckwell. Number 4. Lazzano Spallanzani. Number 5. Ian Wilmot. Number 6. Gregor Johann Mendel. Number 7. J. L. Lush. And for next chapter, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe our channel, that is Shri Rajlaxmi publication. Thank you.